Hello everyone, we would like to share the works that we finished in the LEXUS RX350, which is 2011 model, and it is the one in the generation 2008 and 2015. So the car came with the standard head unit screen on the top, and currently it is replaced with the new 9-inch touchscreen and full package with the system of the Wireless Apple Carplay and Android Auto, and yes, it retained all the CD, AM, FM, CD player, all the function here on this panel like it was, and it also retained all of those features over here, which you can see on the screen. When I press the button, it increased the volume up and down over there. So far we have been able to retain all the factory feature, including the reverse camera with the dynamic steering wheel guide light, and also with the side camera. So if I press the button on the steering here, you will see that side camera is coming up over there. Okay, and that's about it. And now it looks very nice. It really much into the dashboard, and with the new fitment in it looks just matching into the dash, just like it was a block of the car before. So it's very hard to say that okay, this one looks a bit too aftermarket. I'm very happy and glad to see the end result on this one, which we expect that it looks good as a block of the car, and it definitely delivered that result, and everything is just working like normal. And at this moment, yeah, we can't expect it more than that, because we can retain reverse camera, we can retain the mirror, the left side mirror camera, and yeah, that's about the case. And the steering wheel control, yep, all work okay. So yep, the 9-inch touchscreen and full package in the LEXUS RX350 2011 model. And one very interesting thing that I want to show is that when we press the air conditioner control, we actually bring up the full climate control on the touch screen. So you can see that it's working like this, and it can help you to control over here by the full touch screen button. Okay, so you can touch anywhere on the screen here to change the setting, and you can do all the thing here for the air conditioning control, which actually is the climate control. And that's what I really like about it, and we are happy to activate this one. I'm very happy. So far that's the system, and if you know that we could be able to retain more than 2 cameras. If in case this car come with 4 different cameras, we can do that. We can retain the 360-degree camera in this car model with the same setup like this. And yeah, so if you have the same car, and if you are in Sydney, Brisbane, Melbourne or Adelaide at this moment, we all can apply the same system like this into your car from our system and network. If you are in other states, you know that we can send you the full package, and with the full instruction that you can ask someone, handyman or electrician, to do the job fairly easy. Okay, so it is the one for LEXUS, and we are looking to do more of the video like this in the LEXUS soon. And thank you again for watching, and see you on the next one.